The brand Lexus is in high demand in the automotive world. But there is a reason. No one knows how to start this brand. What is that? Let's go to the video.
Toyota is creating a new car brand for only one country. Can you guess what that brand is? They wanted to sell their luxurious products in the United States.
But they had a problem.
US people did not buy their luxurious cars, so they decided to recreate the brand. So it is Lexus, L for luxury, X for export, and US for United States. As a result, luxury export for US. This is how Lexus was born.
See you next video. Subscribe for more.